Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Chloe's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Chloe's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Chloe sign up and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the sign up page of your Close account. You can sign up for your Close account using your Facebook or Messenger as well. Now, here I'm going to go with email. Enter your email address and create a password for your Close account. Enter your mobile number and then tap on sign up. It will sign you up for your Close account in no time. This is how you can sign up for your Close account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.